I visited the new Sri Ganesha temple in Neukölln, and it is my first time to see one of the largest Hindu temples in Europe. It is said that this is Berlin's first permanent Hindu temple in the South Indian Dravidian style. The stunning landmark features a 17-meter tall carved tower built with black granite from India. The place is considered a welcoming, peaceful space that unites Indian tradition with Berlin's local culture. You will get to admire the detailed granite carvings made by skilled artisans from Tamil Nadu. The bright, colorful tower stands out right next to Hasinhaide Park. Sri Ganesha Hindu Temple serves as a spiritual center for the local Hindu community. The temple is dedicated to Lord Ganesha and features traditional architectural elements, creating a serene environment for worship and meditation. Visitors can attend various religious ceremonies and festivals, experiencing a blend of cultural practices. The temple also serves an important role in promoting Hindu culture and fostering community connections among residents and visitors alike.
Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!